And people in Ahmedabad got a big Uttarayan gift today when Amitabh Bachchan flew kites with his fans in the city. This was, of course, as part of a promotional tour for his upcoming movie Shamitabh, but it also comes on a day when the Harvest Festival is being celebrated across the country. Rohit Bhan reports.
Well, Uttarayan, the festival of kites, just got a little more colorful for Ahmedabadis. The Shahnshah of Bollywood, Amitabh Bachchan, is here for the promotion of his film. And in fact, as you can see, Amitabh waving to the delirious crowd which has gathered here in Naranpura area, that's in Ahmedabad, where hundreds of his fans have gathered here. He is here for the promotion of his film, and as you can see on the terraces, people there. This is a promotional event for his movie. He will be flying kites, and in fact waving to this hundreds of crowd people who have gathered here, big time fans of the superstar. And he's got a day-long events lined up here in Ahmedabad, beginning with this kite flying, which he's expected to do here on the terrace of one of the residential societies here in Ahmedabad. It is a big event for the people of Ahmedabad. They had been waiting for this since morning, and in fact, initially it was expected to come here around 11:30, but despite the delays, people have been waiting patiently for Big B, and in fact the organizers finding it very difficult to control this crowd. And as you can see now, Mr. Bachchan is now waving to his fans who have gathered here. He'll also fly kites as part of the promotion for his film Shamitabh. In fact, we were expecting Dhanush also to be part of this promotional event, but mostly people here have come. As you can see, he's holding the kite to the people who've gathered down below and even on the terraces, hundreds of them. And this is kicking off the promotion of his film. And in fact, every Uttarayan Ahmedabad has witnessed celebrities, and as you can see, the weather being a little bit of a dampener. The breeze has been on the lower side since morning, hardly any breeze. There's been a foggy morning, but despite that, people have turned up in large numbers. They wanted to have a glimpse of the superstar, and that is why essentially they are here. But weather, as I mentioned, it's been very foggy since morning, hardly any breeze here. But Mr. Amitabh, as you can see, big kites with his images on it. He will try to fly one of those, as you can see, holding on to one of those kites which has been put out, which has been made by the organizers of this event. It's basically the promotion of his film, and there you can see trying a hand at kite flying, and as you can see, he is trying to fly kites here. This is a promotional event, taking quite enthusiastically taking part in this particular event. And as you can see, Mr. Amitabh himself flying kites. This part of the promotion of his film Shamitabh, and it's the fans here, hundreds of them going delirious. As you can see, waving, cheering on lustily to Mr. Amitabh as he tries to fly the kite.